Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to call people on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Calling on Instagram is comparable to calling on other social media platforms. Here we will describe in details how to make call on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap the messenger icon located in the upper right corner. Here you can view all the messages. Click the chat box of the person you wish to talk with. Tap the phone symbol located at the top. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to call people on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.